Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. So many of you have requested a video on how to insert the tissue into the jar. So today I made a quick video showing you how to do this. And these beautiful tissue jars can serve as stunning home decor or thoughtful handmade gifts. Keep watching to see how I added tissues in the jars. Let's get started. As a personal preference of mine, I like to use the Kleenex Perfect Fit. However, you can use this or any tissue from a tissue box. I love using these because, just like its name, it's just the perfect fit for the jars. You want to start by taking off the blue tag, and you want to take off the paper that's in the top part away from the ring. It also has slits for the tissues to come out easily. Next, you want to take the Kleenex tissues out of the box. Take your jar and unscrew the top from the jar. Honestly, I don't even know why. I just didn't unscrew the jar first and then take the tissues out of the box to make it easier before showing you the next steps. Take the paper that's in the top part away from the ring. And you're going to take your time and be careful not to rip the paper. Once you get the paper out from the ring, it will be placed in the lid of the jar. Now you can add the tissues to the jar. So the paper is already placed on the lid of the jar. Just put the top back on the jar and twist it back on. See how simple and easy this is to do? You just pull the tissue out. And I didn't mean for that many tissues to come out. Let me know in the comment section below if you would like to see a detailed video on how I made the jars. This navy blue is one of my favorite colors. It matched great in my bathroom. So I'm going to show you again using another jar. Thanks for joining today and learning how to add tissues to the tissue jars. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and feel inspired to try it out for yourself. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you will never miss out on our latest crafting ideas and tutorials. Until next time, happy crafting, guys!